decided to show the bleaching process to bleaching this closure wig. So I'm going to be using a 40 cream developer, some blue bleach, and I have a mixing bowl here to mix everything up. All of these products you can get from your local beauty supply store or a Sally store. Now I'm going to be taking one scoop and scooping it into the bowl, and then I'm going to be adding some developer, but not a whole lot, just enough to thicken the developer and get a thicker consistency, not a runny consistency, because you don't want this to run through your lace. But you actually want it to sit on your lace, but it penetrates through the lace to lift the knots. I hope that makes sense. But I'm going to show you guys right here what the consistency should look like. And then I'm going to apply the bleach directly on the lace, making sure I don't press too firm on the lace because I don't want this bleach to actually go beyond the black dots, if that makes sense. So I don't want this bleach to get on the hairs. So yeah, I'm just taking a fork, girl, real ghetto, and I am just spreading out the bleach all over the lace. Also, while I am applying the bleach, I'm making sure I bring the bleach up a little bit past the hairline, just so I make sure I get all of the hairs in the front. And I'm going to flip it over so that you girls can see exactly what I'm talking about when I say that I brought the bleach past the hairline a little bit. So this is what the lace looks like after the knots have been bleached. It is a little brassy, so I'm going to go in with some shimmer lights, shampoo, and apply this directly onto the lace and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check up on it, got it, flown it, oh I know you want it, while I turn around you, watch me check up on it, you watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay girls, so now that I got the closure ready for install, I'm going to be blow drying this kinky straight 20-inch lace frontal wig. Now the density on this wig is 180%, and that is why I have decided to go in and blow dry the hair first before I install it or before I straighten it. But this texture is extremely soft, but it is very full. So I'm going to blow dry the hair in sections and then follow up with blow drying the hair, and then I'll be back for the install. Come over and check up on it. 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 I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. Okay, and this is what the texture looks like if you only blow dry this hair. Honestly, I prefer it either way, blow dry, straight, or in this natural texture. Either way, it's a whole vibe. So now I'm going to section off the hair and flat iron the hair. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over. Okay, and this is what the wig looks like once the hair has been straightened. So if you decide to get this texture, you definitely can get the hair a lot straighter. However, you will need to go in and apply a lot more heat. But this hair is beautiful. Look at the shine. Look at the thickness of this hair. Honestly, when it comes to straight hair, I prefer this kinky texture. Okay, girls, so now it is time to put the wig on and see what it is actually giving on my head. And right now it doesn't look the best, but I'm going to show you girls how to transform or continue to transform a 5x5 closure wig. So I am going to start off with just pulling out a little bit of the baby hairs on this wig. Now it does come with a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline, but not a whole lot. So I am going to pull out that section that has been pre-plucked, and I'm going to go behind that section and pluck some more just to kind of get rid of that super thick hairline on the wig. Now I am going in with a wax stick real quick just to smooth out the hairline and get rid of like any type of flyaways before doing so. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it. Own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it. Flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. I just simply love that holding spray. It really secures the wig without any issues. So now I'm about to go in and kind of tweak this hairline a little bit. I'm not really sure what I wanted to do with the hairline, but I did want to create baby hairs with this wig. Just to show you girls that you don't need a full closure lace frontal wig in order to get baby hairs if you want baby hairs. You just need to make sure you have your baby hairs pulled out in the right area and you have the hairline plucked to the best of your ability just to make sure it looks natural in the front. So that's basically what I am doing here, is working on this hairline, honey, and making sure everything blends. Now, even though this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, I will say the lace is perfection, honey. It blends right on into my skin. Got it, own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. girl, and this is pretty much the final look. This is how I style and install a 5x5 lace closure wig. You would never have known this was a 5x5 closure or just a wig, period. I did go in and clip the ends just to make the ends look a lot better, and I love how this wig transformed, so I will make sure I have everything below in the description bar so you girls can pick up this wig, honey, because it is a whole vibe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.